Yo, what's good, people? Producer Mykah here, and today, man, guys, we are doing something different. I was able to link up with Beat Vampire Craze, an amazing music producer with, amazing beats. He has produced for lots of amazing and big artists out there. So, I had the opportunity of, linking up with him, and we made a beat together. So, without wasting time, guys, let's go meet Craze. Let's go.
Me record that, Abby. Let's say tempo of like 1 and 2 massive. Okay, let's see. Let's try this over here. Let's see if this is the vibe. What do you think? Or which drum do you have in mind?
You think they go? No, they're still inside. I'm making command the metronome.
Okay, let's see. Yes. Okay, so if you put that bass now, maybe there.
If you do,
Yeah.
something like that.
Okay.
Something like that.
All right.
Chill out.
Yeah.
That's when you take thousand.
That's
1, 2, right. 1. Like that. E to the octave up magazine. E. Now lift you up. Okay. Not bad.
right.
But I like
Yeah.
That's gonna be here.
So yeah. let me send to Iga to give us like
Vocal.
vocal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Camera went off, so I was not able to document some of the processes, but you got how the beat started. So I'm just gonna show you guys, play the final product, and then I show you guys what we actually did, the stuff that you missed in the other recording. So this is just the final product. You have a very, very nice bounce, and you can hear a lot of different elements when it got to the chorus. This is not my style of beats, but it's actually just good when you collaborate with other people, when you collaborate with other producers, when you link up with other producers, share ideas, you basically come up with something amazing, and something that you would have not just done on your own. So let's go just a quick breakdown. You saw how the chord was played. The chord played by Craze, Beat Vampire, and sounds like this. Yeah, but just a very basic, simple chords, a basic triad. Me, I really don't like just playing triad, but playing the triad sounds amazing, sounds beautiful. Then went into the drums, and the drums, we had this percussion. So this percussion just gave it like the underneath groove that you hear that is driving the whole vibe. Very nice percussion groove. So with the other percussions that we added, which is this. So with the percussion. So have this percussion, this voice is just playing. Nice. Then you have this shaker. Yeah, then you have normal shaker loop. Then you have this kick. Yeah, then you have the percussion. So together everything sounds. Then Chris played a very groovy bass, and for the bass we're using Omnisphere clipped sine bass, and this is what the bass sounds like. Let me just turn that on. So we hear it. Yeah, just still giving it the groove. And why I love that percussion loops, because it just sounds like children are playing underneath it. So it just automatically give the whole vibe, this happy feel, which is nice. So then we have this guitar. And for the guitar, I'm using Nexus. It's been a while. A lot of people have left Nexus, or they're using the updated version of Nexus, but Nexus is actually amazing. So this presets GT jazz guitar thing, and I just added modern melodies, just use the narrow spread effect. So then we sent it to Iga Boy. While we were making the beat live there, we just sent it to Iga Boy, and Iga Boy delivered, sent this in like some minutes, and we had this. Then just played around. I just played around with some sax. you know, just nice sax. Then you have this, you know, this snare, and this snare was suggested by, you know, one of the guys with us in the studio. It was like, we should put in this snare that just comes in randomly. It's just gonna give it some nice vibe, and that's what we actually did. And we had this. Yeah, just some random snares, you know. So like I said, guys, it's very important, you know, linking up with other people, other producers, other creative, because, you know, it just opens your mind to, you know, new things. So then I had this djembe, which I just played. And that's from Expand, djembe from Expand. Then I played this nice pad. You know, just gives it nice feel. Yeah, so that, you know, that's just basically, you know, how the vibe came about. And I'm sure there's something groovy, there's something happy, and I'm sure you definitely feel it, the vibe. Yeah, so the verse is just basically the same thing, you know, just took out, and I think there's this conga bass, yeah, just. Yeah, so. Alright guys, so you know, that's it for today's tutorial. Hope you got something, you know, from this, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and, you know, drop a comment for me. And if you're to join the Patreon, you know, the Patreon is where you get amazing stuff, FLPs, you know, sample packs, you know, lots of stuff happening on the Patreon. So you definitely want to join the Patreon. The link is going to be in the description. And thank you guys for watching. Big shout out to Craze, you know, for linking up, and, you know, thank you guys, and see you guys in the next episode of an amazing tutorial. Peace.